Hi, this is Felipe from UserGuiding. Do you want to put forward new features or draw user attention to existing ones? Hotspots can do this for you. In this video, I will walk you through the steps of creating a hotspot. Now, let's get into it. First, I go to the Hotspots tab in my user guiding panel. Here, clicking on the Create a Hotspot group will open a pop-up window. Hotspots placed on a specific page are held as groups, so we need to configure the hotspot group before creating our individual hotspot. Let's name our hotspot group, and for the targeting URL, this is the webpage where I want to create my first hotspot on. I'm using Udemy as an example platform. The website will open in a new tab with a UG Chrome extension. Here, I am asked to select a tooltip type. There are different templates I can choose from. For this video, I will choose to create from scratch. In my hotspots, I will provide extra insight about the Udemy business. Let's highlight an area near the Udemy business button. Great. Then I'll readjust the beacon location. You can also adjust the beacon size and customize the icon on the top side editor. Let's save it and preview the first draft of our hotspot. See the default beacon on the screen near the highlighted area? If I hover over the beacon, the tooltip reveals its content. We can design the ways our hotspot functions. To set a behavior for a hotspot's appearance, I will switch to the Interaction tab. Here we have 4 options to select from for when the hotspot will be shown. Click on Beacon option will display the tooltip when you click on it, whereas hover over beacon will display the content just by moving your mouse on the beacon. Hover on selected elements and focus on selected element options are similar to those, but instead of the beacon, you will need to hover over the element to trigger the hotspot. I am selecting the hover over beacon option because I want the users to be able to access the content without clicking on the beacon. Additionally, I will select the hide when mouse away as my setting. If you want, you can select the open by default option so your users will be greeted by the contents of your hotspot. On the beacon tab, we see 3 types of beacons. I'll stick with the info beacon for now. You can also make your beacon pulsate to draw extra attention and change its size right here, the color, and the location. Finally, let's save the changes we've made and test our hotspot one last time by clicking on the preview button. Everything looks nice. Now, let's go back to our panel. We can now see the hotspot group listed here. I will go to the settings page to activate our hotspot group on our live website. After saving and publishing the changes I've made, I will go to the target page and see how my hotspot is working. Let's refresh this. Perfect. Everything works as it should, so we are done. I hope this was helpful.